You might think you're doing skincare right, but what if I told you, you're actually making your skin worse without even realizing it? Most people are using the wrong products, at the wrong time, in the wrong way, and then wonder why their skin is still acting up. In this video, we're going to fix that, with a zero fluff, skin type specific routine that actually works. Whether your face turns into an oil slick by noon, flakes like a croissant, or flips between the two like it's got commitment issues, I've got you covered. We're diving into exactly what your skin type needs, from cleansers to moisturizers to what ingredients you should run from like your ex. Let's get into it. Let's start with the golden rule of skincare. Know thy skin type. You wouldn't wear winter boots to the beach, right? So why use the same routine on dry and oily skin? There are 4 main skin types: oily, dry, combination, and normal. But most people fall into oily, dry, or combo. Each type has its own issues and needs, so slapping on the same viral TikTok product isn't gonna cut it. Let's break them down, and then I'll give you the exact routine you need for each one. 1. Oily skin. Your face is basically a frying pan. Your T-zone glows more than a highlighter, and by 2 p.m., you're blotting your face with whatever's nearby: paper towels, receipts, your will to live. Here's the deal. Oily skin overproduces sebum. That's your natural oil. Sometimes it's genetics, sometimes it's hormones, sometimes it's just your skin reacting to over-cleansing or the wrong products. Now here's what most people do wrong. They try to dry out their skin. Big mistake. Drying your skin out just makes it produce more oil. Your skin freaks out and says, "Oh no, we're dry, make more oil," and bam, you're greasier than ever. Your fix-it routine. Cleanser. Use a gentle, gel-based cleanser with salicylic acid or tea tree oil. You want to unclog pores, not sandpaper your face. Toner. Optional but helpful. Witch hazel or niacinamide-based toners can help with oil control and minimizing pores. Serum. Look for niacinamide, helps control oil and shrink pores, or hyaluronic acid, hydrates without grease. Moisturizer. Yes, oily skin needs moisturizer. Use an oil-free, non-comedogenic gel moisturizer. Think Neutrogena Hydro Boost or La Roche-Posay Effaclar Matte. SPF. Always. Every day. No exceptions. Use a matte finish sunscreen, like Supergoop Matte Screen or Biore Aqua Rich. Also, exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with BHA, salicylic acid. It gets deep into pores and keeps breakouts at bay. 2. Dry skin. The Sahara Desert has entered the chat. Your skin feels tight, looks dull, and flakes like you're part snowman. Sound familiar? That's dry skin in a nutshell. Dry skin lacks oil, and sometimes water too. You need moisture, and not just from that random lotion you found in the back of your drawer. Common mistake? Using hot water, alcohol-based toners, or harsh scrubs. That just destroys your skin barrier even more. Your fix-it routine. Cleanser. Use a cream or milk cleanser. Avoid foaming ones, they strip your skin. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser or Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser are top picks. Toner. Hydrating toners or essences with glycerin or hyaluronic acid, like Hada Labo or Klairs Supple Preparation, are gold. Serum. Look for hyaluronic acid, ceramides, peptides, or squalane. These ingredients lock in moisture and repair your barrier. Moisturizer. Go thick or go home. Ceramide-rich creams like CeraVe Moisturizing Cream or the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors work wonders. SPF. Use a nourishing sunscreen, not matte or alcohol-heavy ones. Try ELTAMD UV Daily or Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun. For extra hydration, layer an occlusive at night like Vaseline, slugging, anyone, on top of your moisturizer to seal it all in. 3. Combination skin. The best of both worlds. AKA the most confusing. Your forehead and nose are greasy enough to fry an egg, but your cheeks feel dry and tight. Combo skin is basically your face throwing a tantrum in two directions at once. The trick? Targeted skincare. Treat different areas differently. Yes, your face is allowed to have boundaries. Your fix-it routine. Cleanser. Use a mild, balancing cleanser like Crave Matcha Hemp or La Roche-Posay Tolérane. Toner. Use a hydrating toner or skip it if your skin feels fine without it. Serum. Niacinamide is your BFF. It balances oil without drying. You can also spot treat with a hydrating serum on dry areas and an oil control serum on oily zones. Moisturizer. Lightweight gel cream on the oily areas, T-zone, richer cream on the cheeks. Or use a balancing moisturizer like Belif Aqua Bomb. SPF. Stick with lightweight, hydrating sunscreens that don't clog pores. Bonus tip. Multi-masking is your secret weapon. Clay masks on the T-zone, hydrating masks on the cheeks. Now here's the real problem. Most people don't stick to a routine long enough to see results. That's the brutal truth. Skincare isn't fast food, it's a slow-cooked meal. You've gotta give products at least 4 to 6 weeks to show real changes, unless you're allergic. Then stop immediately, obviously. Also, stop changing everything at once. That's like mixing every soft drink at a soda machine and expecting a gourmet experience. Introduce one new product at a time. If your skin is going crazy, go back to the basics. Cleanser, moisturizer, SPF. That's it. Reset for 2 weeks, then slowly add actives back in. Let's break down what a day should look like for each skin type. Oily skin daily routine. Morning. Apply gel cleanser followed by niacinamide serum, gel moisturizer and finally matte SPF. Night. Before bed apply gel cleanser and then optional BHA followed by gel moisturizer. Dry skin daily routine. Morning. Apply cream cleanser and then hydrating toner followed by HA serum and rich moisturizer and finally nourishing SPF. Night. Before bed apply cream cleanser followed by peptides or ceramide serum and then thick moisturizer. Combo skin daily routine. Morning. Apply mild cleanser followed by niacinamide serum, lightweight moisturizer and lightweight SPF. Night. Before bed apply mild cleanser followed by spot serums and moisturize accordingly. Watch out for these ingredients depending on your skin type. Avoid alcohol denat if you're dry, it'll wreck your barrier. Skip heavy oils if you're oily, they can clog you up. Combo skin? Test patch everything. Your skin is picky. Key moment you can't ignore, your skin type can change. Seasons, stress, diet, age, hormones, they can all switch things up. You might be oily in summer and Sahara level dry in winter. That's normal. Reassess every few months. Also, drink your water, eat your veggies, and sleep. No serum beats 8 hours of sleep and a balanced meal. Skincare starts from inside out. Conclusion? Great skin isn't about expensive products, it's about knowing what your skin actually needs. So whether you're dealing with breakouts, flakes, or both, just remember, don't fight your skin. Learn it. Support it. And be patient with it. You don't need a 10-step routine. You just need the right steps. Wanna know the one ingredient your skin absolutely needs, but you're probably not using? Watch this next video right here.